7002 Grandview. Scoping the sewer line after cleaning. Only able to push to 98 foot with the camera due to the amount of turns. But you can see there right at that joint, there is a crack there with roots coming in at the crack. Now, cleaning this line will never get 100% of the roots, but it does look night and day. You have another crack there just after the joint. Now this is a shared sewer line. You have another crack there after the joint, you can see there. Cracked there at 89 foot. Again, cracked there at 87 foot. So you have a joint there, and then that's a break. You have a tie-in at 82 foot. I don't believe that's coming from the house next door to the west. I think that's from the house next to them to the west. Again, cracked there. You got another break there. And then here's the tie-in from the house just to the west of these guys. So there is a couple of different houses on this sewer line. And like I said, just about cracks at every joint. Yeah, there's where we did our repair. Put in 2 cleanouts down there. I believe that's in the neighbor's yard. Yeah, somebody else did a repair here. See, it's offset pretty bad. Almost half pipe. It's 7002 Grandview. sewer line showing heavy signs of deterioration with cracks at about just every joint, and then a couple of different breaks in there. So from this clean out, they're responsible, this house is responsible for it to about 65 foot, and then it ties in with these neighboring houses.